Welcome to 28 Kent Street, a contemporary home overlooking beautiful Whangaroa Harbour. As soon as you open the door and enter the spectacular home, you never want to leave. The upper level is built for entertaining and breathes modern, airy and spacious. Sliding doors open onto both the upper and lower decks, providing the ultimate in inside-outside living. Downstairs has been cleverly designed so all three bedrooms are facing the water. The master suite has its own ensuite and walk-in wardrobe. The second bedroom, currently being used for a gym, has a built-in closet. A third bedroom is next to the separate bathroom where you can soak in the bath and look out at the blue waters beyond. Single garage and extra parking on the top level, and room for a trampoline or kids' playground and gardens on the lowest. Sometimes you find a home that simply takes your breath away. This is that home. Just up the road from Whangaroa Sports Fishing Club and Marina, and 45 minutes to Kerikeri in the Bay of Islands. This tasteful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath quality home is situated in New Zealand's warmest climate. To view, call me, Leonie, One Agency, Far North.